Yes, yes.
Oh, baby.
Give it to me.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Give it to me.
Oh, baby.
This man, every time he's going to leave the house, he's not going to come back on time. Let him go and come and meet me here. And come and be disturbing me the way he always disturb me. Any little thing like this, straight away, I'll call police for him, 911. I'll be up here, but they'll come and carry him. They'll come and carry him. I've come to this country. And I'm his wife. And I have come, no going back. Women, now we get power. People now though in the village now, they'll start looking at me like this girl is in abroad. Her husband come and pick her and go to abroad. Hey, I will not be the latest person. Okay. Now women get power.
Welcome home, finally. Baby, yo.
So finally, you are back.
Well, come on, I have a ta. Oh, my little. Yes,
now.
See update.
Me has come to stay. The way
I beg, let me go and give me the food. I beg, I'm very hungry. Hey, the general.
You said what?
Go and give me the food now.
Please go and cook for yourself. Go and cook for yourself. I've come to stay. Yeah, I cannot cook for you.
Are you talking to me?
Is there anyone here? You're the only one here. Yeah, go and cook, please. Alright? Go and cook and don't forget. Don't forget anything. Okay, I'll take you to the police station. They'll come and pick you 911 straight ahead. Okay?
Wonders shall never end.
Before, I'm looking good.
So, the country I brought you into.
See this one. It's not my country, but I will send you back with the police people.
I
am here to stay. I am your wife.
So the country I brought you in, you're threatening me with the police.
I don't understand. I have come. I am not going back again. As you can see, I'm no more that village girl that you brought yesterday. I'm a John.
I know that someone is behind this. Someone is poisoning your mind.
I don't understand though. I don't understand. I'm not going to cook for you. And if you do anyhow, I will call AK for you. 911, police station, straight ahead. They're going to take you inside.
Baby.
Yeah, like you are my husband.
Baby,
yes, I know.
Remember,
okay?
I grown up in Onitsha. Let's go move to Cambo. So you are threatening me with the police in my own house. But wait.
Please.
Let me go and come back.
Cook for yourself. Cook good food for yourself.
I'm coming back for you. So Mukiji 911 a year ago. I will tell you that we get Malaysia. I'm coming back for you.
Come back. I'm waiting for you here. After making this up, I'll not go to the kitchen. I'm a city girl, right?
That's my baby. Welcome to my house.
Wait a minute. Who is this?
This is my sister, okay? No, this is my sister. She came to Malaysia last week.
It's not one.
No, baby, no, relax. No, she's saying that you're so much beautiful, okay? Yes. No, she's saying you're so much beautiful, okay? Let's go inside. Onye iPhone na mpia beke mmia beke nwanne mmia beke
isi
efe obu ni ime kita eke no baby no baby let's go inside, okay? No problem. Let's go na alumo ogbe no let's go inside, okay? Let's go inside, don't worry. Baby, let's go inside. I think it's in my even in there mmia beke mpia beke one name you make no sense. You never direct from village.
So just again.
You never see something. No. Let me tell you, if I hear people here, you see where you end up yourself. etikwana alụmogbe mmie eke mpi eke nwanne mmie eke anything ọ bụla ime kịta gịnị eme asị gịnị eme yes baby give me doggy style yes
Oh baby.
give it to me
Oh my god. Oh my god.
give it to me
Oh baby.
You never see anything. You never see anything.
Baby.
If you get out of the